Spacious, reliable, and built for accessibility, this 2013 Honda Odyssey EXL wheelchair accessible van features a VMI Northstar in-floor conversion. This Odyssey combines Honda's trusted long-term reliability with a premium VMI Northstar automatic side entry in-floor ramp system. With 114,000 miles, it continues to serve as a dependable mobility solution designed for everyday comfort and performance. The automatic in-floor ramp deploys smoothly for easy entry and then stows neatly beneath the floor, keeping the interior open and uncluttered. This van provides excellent maneuverability and secure positioning for wheelchairs and power chairs. Inside, you'll find a refined tan leather interior that adds comfort for daily driving and longer road trips. This model also includes a driver's side turnout seat, making transfers easier and more convenient. And with a sunroof, you get added natural light and ventilation for a more enjoyable ride. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior and powered by Honda's reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine, this Odyssey delivers smooth, efficient performance whether you're running errands or heading out on the highway. This vehicle blends Honda's legendary reliability with VMI's highly sought-after in-floor accessibility. Spacious, comfortable, and easy to operate. It's an excellent choice for families, caregivers, or individuals looking for a dependable mobility solution with premium features. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the wheelchair accessible van that fits your lifestyle.